The right way to use VICKS VAPORUB for toenail fungus. You won't find instructions on how to use VICKS VAPORUB on your toenail fungus on the back of the package, and that is because it is not what the makers of Vicks have intended it for. However, the April 2003 issue of Phytotherapy Research states that the ingredients in Vicks, camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol, when used together, are effective in controlling toenail fungus. So if you are looking to use Vicks for toenail fungus, you've come to the right place. In this video, you will learn exactly how to treat toenail fungus with Vicks. Make sure to follow the instructions in this video to successfully treat toenail fungus with VICKS VAPORUB. And by the way, if you want more videos like this recommended to you every week, be sure to subscribe to Your Health TV. First of all, trim the toenail that is affected by the nail fungus. Immediately after trimming, cleanse your nail clippers with hot soapy water, then rinse them with rubbing alcohol. Wash your foot, paying special attention to the nail. Dry it thoroughly with a towel. Scoop some Vicks out of the container with a spoon. You will use the Vicks on the spoon to apply to your toenail. Apply the Vicks to your toenail. Be sure to completely cover the nail, getting under the nail and down into the cuticle. To effectively get the Vicks at the edges of and under the nail, you can use a disposable orange stick or cotton swab. Rub the Vicks in thoroughly and cover the toe with a bandage or sock. This will help the Vicks absorb, rather than rubbing off on sheets or furnishings. Repeat this process twice daily, in the morning and evening. Be patient. It may take up to 5 months before you see progress. While you are on this treatment, be sure to keep all your toenails trimmed, dry, and clean to prevent developing nail fungus. Immediately wash all towels used on the affected foot. See your physician if your fungus appears to be getting worse instead of better, or if you experience pain, redness, or swelling of the toe. Have you tried this treatment before? And what were your results? Let us know all about it in the comments below.